how to invite friends to follow you on Instagram. In order to do that, you need to have the share profile option right here in Instagram. You can achieve this by just going over and then make sure that you have this professional dashboard. Click on the share profile right here and then you have now this QR code. Now you can head over and send this to a friend by heading over and then downloading it right here. You can also try to customize it if you want. So you can change in here the color by clicking on the color. You can add emojis, some selfies, and also all of these things right here. Just head over and download it and then send it to a friend. Another option you can do is you can head over and click on this copy link right here, and then once it's been copied, you can send it to a friend and invite them to actually follow you on Instagram. You can also try to click on the share profile right here, and then it will open all of the apps you have right here, and then you can use it to share this to friends and then invite them to follow you. So that's how you invite friends to follow you on Instagram.